my name is Liza from booth CH367. Welcome to join our YesTech InfoComm show here. I would like to share with you our new brand, new product Mega series. This one is built in grand stages. Here you can see with two sizes of this screen, 500 by 1000 and 500 by 500, with the thickness only 84 millimeters. And also we offer pixel pitch ranges from 3.9, 4.6 and 5.6. As you see in the front of this stage, we are combined floor rental series like MG series, Rubik series, Extra series, and MU series. So what you see at InfoComm shows that YesTech can bring to you. We make the whole stages happen and realize a very creative designs. And also you can stand in each area and you still have a great view. On the behind of the 6D screen, that is our transparent screen with a pixel pitch around 3.9 by 7.8 pixel pitch, and also over the transparency 50%, that can creating immersive atmosphere and also help you to bring your stage to next level. Yeah, thanks for joining us and welcome to visit us at booth CH367. Yeah, thank you for listening.